y'all, thank you for tuning in to Michaela DIY. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel for more home improvement content. So I realized that it's been about 6 or 7 months since my last video, and so I felt it was appropriate to re-emerge with a little bit of a house update. So as a quick backstory, if you're new here or just passing through, I bought this house in the fall of last year, and it's a very modest 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,000 square feet. And my intentions when I started this channel were to document my experience as a homeowner and just all the renovations that I was planning on doing here in this house, since it is slightly a fixer-upper. Now, needless to say, I haven't really done anything in the house since I bought it. Some of the things I guess you could say that I've accomplished since getting the house: I did remove a lot of the popcorn ceilings in the bedrooms, the hallway, and the living room. I've painted the same rooms as well, kinda, not quite finished. I did finish my bedroom, however. I purchased some new furniture and put it together for both my room and my daughter's room. I sold some of the previous furniture that I had that have been taking up space in my garage because it was just no longer functional in this space. I took the cabinet doors off, at least on the upper cabinets, and removed some of the trim. What else? Oh, I had somebody come and treat my yard for weeds, because now that I have an actual yard, I do want to be proactive in taking care of it, and I do have some ideas that I would like to do as far as landscape in the front and in the backyard. So yeah, like nothing really crazy or share worthy in my opinion. I was really looking forward to something in this house, which was my fireplace, but I didn't get to use it in the winter because basically, from my understanding, the pipe in the chimney needs to be replaced. So basically, if I were to light a fire in there, I would end up with a bunch of ash in the attic, which obviously is not something that I want. So unfortunately, I think that's going to be pretty costly to repair. So I've just kind of put that on the back burner, because let's be honest, I'm in Texas and it's June, so honestly it's really not high on my priority list right now. So hopefully I can get to it later in the fall or early winter. But on a lighter note, I am getting ready to do something very exciting here in the house, which is renovating the kitchen. So if you did see my empty house tour, you know that, of course, while functional, the kitchen is a little bit outdated, and there is some significant water damage to the lower cabinets that house the sink and the dishwasher. Now, as you can tell, I probably don't have anything in the cabinets because, well, I just felt like it didn't make sense to put stuff in the cabinets just to turn around and take it back out. So all of my food and my dishes are just sitting on my storage shelves that I have. And yeah, that's just kind of how I've been living for the last several months. So the plan is to take everything out and get all new cabinets, countertops, and appliances in here, which I'm really looking forward to. And obviously the backsplash, I don't know if you can tell, but the backsplash is the same as the countertops, and I'm like, it's just not jiving with me. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to updating this kitchen. I am already anticipating having to replace some of the drywall that's behind this cabinet, the lower cabinet with the sink and the dishwasher. Now, honestly, I'm not sure to what extent the water damage is. I'm honestly not gonna know until we get the cabinets out of here, so y'all gonna find out pretty much the same time as I do. Speaking of cabinets, I have been looking around trying to get some inspiration as far as like how I want the kitchen to look when it's completely finished. And so right here, this is my pantry. I don't have a walk-in pantry, so I'm really considering the functionality of the kitchen because it is a little bit small. It's a small U-shaped kitchen, but I do want to maximize my space as much as possible. So right now I've been opting for IKEA cabinets because I feel like they have better systems in place in terms of maximizing the space. So of course, that's not gonna be my final say just yet. I do want to kind of compare and contrast between different styles of cabinets just to see what will work best in my kitchen. So of course I am planning to document this entire renovation process from start to finish. And I don't know, I'm just really excited about like doing this because this is something that I've been wanting to do for such a long time, and just sharing my experiences with you guys. Like this is like, I don't know, I just feel like this is going to be super rewarding because I am planning to do a lot of this myself. Now granted, I'm not going to do everything myself because I'm not an expert or anything, but yeah, like just the learning experience that's going to come from it, and you know, seeing the end product, because I'm going to be like, yeah, like dang, Michaela, you really did that. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking forward to. But ultimately, that's kind of all I had to share for this video. Yeah, if you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed and turn on notifications to get notified about future uploads, and I will see you guys in the next one.